Welcome. I just wanted to record me going through all the functionalities and explaining kind of the mindset and framework behind this whole application and service. So obviously, as our branding suggests, your brain does create ideas, but how can you actually act upon all of the ideas that are created up here? The only way is to have a second brain, store it. So this is what our app exactly does. So if you come to the dashboard and just record a simple idea, like recently I've been programming a lot, but usually my evenings are quite booked up, so I need to become a lot more efficient at programming. Otherwise, I'm not going to really balance a social life plus the work life. How can I do this? So, for example, there, I've just recorded a little ramble or idea. So hopefully this AI, which it will synthesize, transcribe, and tag it for us so that we can come back to this at a later point, as we can see. And the insights are saved, view insights, and it's immediately tagged under one of the tags for you. If you're really interested in this idea, you'll notice that you'll immediately come to a Stripe checkout. It's because I just want to validate it. If you really want this, let me know through the checkout. That'll be an obvious indication. Or in the waiting list, you'll receive an email. Email me back. Let me know your thoughts and your feedback. I'm planning on new features in the roadmap to be more about how to act upon these ideas that get stored. But thank you so much for listening, and speak soon.